Welcome back everyone. We've had 2 requests from our viewers on how to use and make our vacuum chamber. Now Jeff will demonstrate on how you can use it 2 ways and how he assembled it. First with the power on using a food saver machine, and then with no power using a brake bleeder.
Hi everybody, Tess has asked me to demonstrate a little bit about this vacuum chamber that I made for her. It's made out of 100mm PVC pipe here and 2 screwed end caps that you can see here, and then they've been glued onto the end of the pipe, as you can see, and with the screwed cap it's got a rubber sealer ring in there. So what I did also is drilled a hole through here and fit a little nozzle into there which is glued in, and that fits the little piece of tube that we use to go to the vacuum sealer machine or the brake bleeder that we'll show you in a minute. So here today we're going to demonstrate how we use this vacuum chamber. I'm going to get a ball jar that we've got, and that will go into the vacuum chamber like so, just gently down into the bottom, and then we'll get our lid and screw that on nice and tight so it makes a good seal. And then the end of this hose here will attach to our food saver machine. Just plug that on there and then hit the start on that. Now we'll let that run, and it should just turn itself off when it reaches its vacuum. This does take a little while because it's a bigger chamber, but now you can see that that has stopped vacuuming, and we can take that off of there. Now I did hear that that little lid inside popped, you may not have, so we'll take the lid off. And we'll gently tip that up and get our jar out. And as you can see, that's pulled down tight and vacuumed nicely. So in this next demonstration we're going to use the same jar again, so I will undo the lid and pop that, and just to show you that was from the previous vacuum sealing. Now we'll put that back on and pop that back into the vacuum chamber again. Screw our lid back down again. Remembering to do it up nice and tight. Now with this one we're going to use a brake bleeder, which you can buy online. They're not overly expensive, and the idea of this is that if you never have any power on site, maybe out camping, or you've lost power at home and you wanted to vacuum seal some of your jars, you get your brake bleeder and you just attach that same piece of hose, which is quite tight, but with a little bit of pushing you can get it on there. And then this is just like a handheld pump, so it's vacuuming out the air in the chamber, and it does take quite a while, so we'll keep going. This is also good exercise at the same time for your hands. So this has taken a few minutes now to pump this down to 600 in pressure. We're going to release the hose, and that'll decrease the pressure in the chamber, and we'll take the lid off. So that now has vented back into the chamber, and we'll take this lid off. Take the jar out, and because it's a ball jar you can see that that's down nice on there, but just for the demonstration we'll take this ring off and we'll just pop the lid again. Whoops. And you can see that that had a really good vacuum on it. Okay, thanks very much for watching.